Hi guys, Luba is here, your holistic health cheerleader. Currently, I came across some statistics that about 16,000 people a year dies in USA from gastrointestinal bleeding due to overconsumption of the painkillers like Advil and aspirin and other anti-inflammatories. Um, Tylenol was not part of it, but it still has some other side effects for your liver and other things. But anyway, I thought there was like too many people to die for something that could be like completely preventable. And there is like so many natural uh, products exist that is so good for pain relief that people probably have no idea that they exist. So that's why if you have like joints pain and muscles pain like on regular basis, stick with me for a couple minutes. I want to share with you something amazing that I use for myself to relieve the pains and aches. And this video is not about me trying to sell you something. I just want to let you know that there's other options exist before you put the painkillers in your mouth. And I know this because I have a long history of arthritis in my knees since I was young, in my knees and in my hips. And I maintaining that successfully with proper diet and proper supplements. But recently, I decided to go on a very challenging hike, which will happen in September. And I've been training for this. It's going to be for 10 days. So I started training myself like 3 months ago. I'm walking a lot. I'm doing strength training, and I'm climbing floors and all that stuff. And trust me, I have a lot of pains and aches during this period because you constantly go in a different level and you stretch yourself and you have muscle soreness. And I also start having like knee pains, not a lot but manageable. And these products that I use, they are amazing. And what I like about them, that they are natural and they clean and made from beautiful natural ingredients. And I'm talking about doTERRA Deep Blue Rub and Deep Blue Stick with Copaiba. Those two are my lifesavers. And Deep Blue Rub I use for the like larger areas in my body, like shoulders, back, and hips if I need the pain relief. And this one, this has an amazing blend of essential oils. It has a wintergreens, which is famous for pain relief. It has a peppermint and eucalyptus. It has Roman chamomile and blue tansy. It has like a blue color. If you can see it, yeah, it's kind of bluish. Oh, like this. And it also has a Helichrysum, which has those amazing restorative properties for our body. So, and Deep Blue Stick with Copaiba, it's more for like targeted areas where you need like instant pain relief. Like if you sprain or strain your ankle, or you hit your knee, or you have like a targeted pain where you can apply, and it's kind of mass free because you don't have to touch it with your hands. It's solid base like this, and you just keep it in your purse, in your backpack, and you apply it right away, and it helps amazingly fast. I went to the Willow River State Park probably a few weeks ago with my family, and it's a kind of if you've never been there, it's like cascaded waterfalls, and we had a lot of fun there. But it's a rocky area, and I slipped and I almost fell with my whole body on this big boulder, and I hurt my ankle, and it started getting blue and swollen very fast. So luckily I had this baby in my backpack, and I applied it right away, and 10 minutes later all what I felt is like nice cooling sensation. So, and the blue rub has this cooling and then warming sensation if you use it. So also, if I want a deeper or a stronger effect for the pain relief, I use the deep blue rub and the Copaiba oil separately. So you can buy the Copaiba oil like in the bottle, and you put the little cream here or rub here and a couple drops of Copaiba, kind of mix it with your finger and massage it on the larger areas where you need pain relief. It has a stronger effect for me, at least. And Copaiba is this oil is really good to have on hands because it can help with headache, and um, it's it has so many uses. Like if you have pains or aches and you take in painkillers, try these products. It's not a cure. Again, this is for a temporary relief, but you can maybe it you can decrease amount of the painkillers. I mean, this is the option for you, so why not trying it? And if you have little kids who is constantly running and bumping their legs and knees, amazing product. If you have a teenagers, both of those, like teenagers in sports, um, high schoolers, it really helps with pains and aches and whatever, if they need it. So, and oh, and by the way, the deep blue stick with Copaiba is FSA and HSA eligible, so you can um, claim that and use those money. So if you have any questions, please reach out. I answer all your questions, concerns, whatever you need to know about these products. I can help. If you want to try them, I will help you. More than happy to help you to order. I'll give you 25% off, and we may even find out if you can get some free gifts as well. So yeah, that's all what I want to share today. Like I said, I just want to let you know that this is available. And yeah, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.